I can play it, okay?
I said not now! If you want the fucking part, earn it.
What is going on, guys? How are you all doing? All right, let's talk about Let's go over the markets, guys, today. So the first thing I'm going to go over is, let's first go over wow, this is really good. This is really bullish. That's very bullish for markets here. A lot of bullish news here today for overall markets. Way better than expected. Unemployment claims actually look lower than expected. CPI, core CPI comes out here. Which one is this one? Another government shutdown. This is just hilarious. Dude, the government has been going right now. It is literally, it has to be like a drama show in the government. Because of all this stuff going on with the Epstein files. I mean, man, it must be insane right now. Right? I have a little bit of a headache, guys, and my eye is killing me. Okay, so let's go over markets here. I've been so sick now for a long time. I don't understand why. Not feeling the best, but it is what it is. Hold on one second, guys. All right, guys. This is what I'm looking at. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just not feeling the best right now. I am not feeling that good. Let's do this here. I'm looking at Dixie to still drop, and a lot of people are talking about the dollar crashing. Yeah, I see it, but mostly I see it's most likely bearish here. I think we're gonna break through this structural zone, and Dixie's gonna long term drop to the 94 area. I do believe we're gonna retest this low here and then drop back to Dixie lows of November 2021. I think Trump is gonna force the dollar to drop, and SPX is ready to create all-time highs. Everything I think is setting itself up to break structure to the upside here. Even today with NFP, even though it's an old report, you can kind of see sell-offs from Wednesday early after the great NFP report. You saw the market skyrocket, mitigate, right, and then move to the downside here. Bunch of liquidity sweeps here. But just because you saw this doesn't mean we're bearish here. We're actually very much bullish. We're very bullish. We're just an order flow, right? Order flow, swiping liquidity to the upside, downside. We're an order flow until we move to the upside. So what I'm looking for is that liftoff, and what could potentially be that catalyst for that liftoff. We're still in that buying zone here. Great thing about markets is sometimes when there's low liquidity, a lot of this is probably because of the Epstein stuff, mostly because of low volatility. And government shutdowns, right? Let's look at something, the average daily range. Not the lot size calculator. Today was the first day we hit the range, but it was just a swipe of liquidity here. I don't see a catalyst. I think something big is going to happen. But, I mean, we've been in this order flow for such a long time, guys. Like, SPX has not been trending here for a long time. So, we just got to wait for this pullback here to complete itself, and then we'll be able to start moving in the direction that we're looking to move to here. Overall, I'm still bullish on it. Very much bullish. Man, I'm feeling it today. I don't know why. This is already mitigated. On the trash. I'm looking for something like this. Break highs. That's what I'm looking for, like a 1 to 7, that kind of thing. 1 to 6. This is what I'm looking for. This is my next bet. Nas, I don't like that it didn't break structure. Oh, did it? Did it break structure? Yeah, it did. This is a buy. Technically, if we break structure, this is a buy. This is gonna lift off. this area. Looking for something right here. Move to the upside over here. This move happened today. NFP. Wow. Must have been an interesting day to trade.
Sorry guys, I'm extremely tired.
NQ is kind of giving me a similar kind of setup here. Even with ES. Bullish here. This is bullish here. This is all bullish here. Gold volatility looks bullish, but still has to mitigate and fill, which is unfortunate because I would love to be more bullish on this particular pair. I mean, what I'm going to tell you is this: regardless of how much gold pulls back, long term gold is a buy. Still, because we have all these areas here that need to get filled. So I'm looking for, yeah, potentially gold will drop. The volatility index will drop a bit more. Once it starts to rally, we're going to see gold hit big highs here. All right. Yields are going up. We want to see yields go up so bonds go down, so we know where liquidity is going to right now. I was showing a student an example yesterday. What am I looking for gold? I was looking still for buys here, long-term buys. Will those long-term buys come? Maybe, maybe not. I really don't like this here. So much, how could I even say it? Like, overlap, right? We could even see like the intradays are overlapping each other, man. Is gold hitting even market ranges? Like, the market range is so bad that we're hitting usually 30% the average daily range of gold. 30% to 40% of the average daily range. So it basically means that like volatility is very low compared to what it used to be. Very, very, very low. Yeah, it's such low volatility, man. Like, I don't even really like... I only will feel comfortable if we see a big dip with gold. And then I want to buy here. That's the only time I feel comfortable. If not, I'm just going to waste, like, what? We can scalp this here. Scalping it, you could do that. I don't want to waste my time scalping. But if we do get that pullback here, it'll be good because what I'm looking for long term, the markup is still here. This is what I'm looking for. All right. I'm just waiting for a bigger pullback. Copper. Been hearing copper is very bullish here. Look at USD CAD. Wow, USD CAD skyrocketed way through. We caught some sells here, caught some shorts that I called out earlier in the week. Canadian dollar probably going through it right now. USD JPY, let's look at JPY. That's interesting. JPY is bearish. It usually doesn't happen. Japan might cost us the next recession here. USD JPY is a solid sell. GU is stirring up for a buy. Wow, GU looks great for a buy right now. This is good. This is really good. A swing trade. Let's see, 4 hour. Technically, this is already 3 waves to the upside here.
It's gonna be great.
And you're not.
I want to be one of the great.
This is what I'm looking for. USD CAD looks way better than any other pair right now. What I'm looking for is that break of structure here, which is what it's doing. But I'm looking for a close above this area. Then a pullback into this zone, and then a run to the upside. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. And then from there, let's look at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin looks pretty solid. I think it's gonna come back here to the 77, 78, and then dub. We're gonna look for a short around that time. A complete short. All right, guys, I will be trading tomorrow morning. I'm going to end this early here. I'm going to head to bed early. I'm not feeling the best, but I appreciate y'all. Love y'all, and I will talk to y'all soon. Have a good one. Peace.